Hi, in this follow-up screencast about the 3-bit binary counter in C++, I had to do some code checking, and with code it is always good to start at the beginning, and that beginning is in this case expanding the code of how things are set, and that can be better, more extensive than not. So in this case I extended the code here to the state as it should be, on, off, and in the previous version I only used this set file to indicate a change, but now I explicitly set it on and or off depending on the LED or the LED, and as such I found some mistakes, but I also changed the input state, which indicates whether the switch is being pressed or not, to 0, and when the switch is being pressed it says 1, but I wanted to see first if it completely worked without a switch, so not interactive as I intended to do. And when I do it like this, I already compiled it, and here you say let's see, LED 1 is on, LED 2 is on, and it is 3, and on is 5, etc. So right now you see that the code is working, and you can't see it here in the screencast, but the LEDs are burning as indicated. So in this case the code actually does work. I also had to change, as you can see here, here. This means that it burns or sleeps for 2 seconds, and that is long enough to be sure it is working. And it works circular, so after reaching the digit by decimal 7, which is binary 111, or 3 LEDs on, it turns to 0. The only problem right now still remains the input state, because previously I once again took the latest Python version using the switch, and it works perfectly. So with the switch in Python it clearly signals the 1, and as long as it is 1 on each one it counts, and if you hold the switch it just keeps running. And after another check on GPIO 13, it seems to be the correct one. However, it just does not detect the correct the correct value, because it keeps giving, or it keeps seeing 0, while in Python it gets the correct value. So how that works, or how that does not work, to be exact, I have no idea. It did work, and for some reason it doesn't anymore. Anyway, this proves that the main part of the code, switching off and switching on LEDs in order to form a binary counter, does work. And to get it interactive, I'll have to find the cause of the switch not being detected in C++ while it is being detected in Python. So let's see for the code once again while it is running here. So these are the states of the LEDs, and setting once again each value explicitly to 1 or 0, and thus setting an LED on or off. And the beauty of this part of the code is also that when you press Ctrl C, which is breaking off the program, it resets the whole thing, and the all ports on the Raspberry Pi are reset and set to 0 and ready for another action. And in the Python program that is not the case. So maybe I should reset that there as well. Anyway, thank you for watching for the working, not interactive binary counter. And to be continued.